Open App Store, tap on search and type Snapseed. Select Snapseed photo editor. Make sure the developer is Google and then tap on Get. Once installation is completed, tap on Open, tap on Check it out, tap on the plus icon, tap on Continue. You don't have to give full access to your photo library in order to be able to use Snapseed. Instead, select Limit Access, and now you can select the photos that you want Snapseed to access and then tap on the white circle to confirm, and straight away you can start editing that photo. For example, you could select the healing tool and then touch the areas, for example, that has got messy hairs in order to remove those hairs. Once you're done with editing, tap on the tick mark. You could also select auto to automatically enhance your photo, or select adjust and then tap on the menu, and then you could adjust any of these settings. You could also select an object in your photo by simply tapping on it, and it would select that object and would create a mask which you could use to change the background. If you would select looks, then you could easily select any style that you like. And if you would select tools, you could see all the variety of tools that Snapseed has got. Tap on the arrow up icon, and then you could save to original, save a copy, or export, or even directly share your photo with the edits. Save to original would replace the original photo, but it would also allow you to revert the edits. So I tap on save original, and now if you would open Photos app, you should be able to see the photo with the edits. Snapseed is one of the best photo editing apps on iPhone, which is completely for free, no ads, you don't need to log in, and it has got all the features that you need. It's most definitely is subsidized by Google.